Welcome to the LiveKeeping Data Connector Setup Guide. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to livekeeping.com. On the home page, click the Download Connector button to download the LiveKeeping connector. Once the file finishes downloading, open it and follow the simple on-screen instructions to install the application. Please note, these instructions must be followed on the same computer where Tally is installed and used. On the connector screen, enter your mobile number, type in the OTP you receive, and click Submit to securely log in. The connector will now check for Tally. If it isn't already running, you'll be prompted to open it. Click the Open Tally button. Once Tally launches, go ahead and select the company data you want to connect. Switch back to the connector. You can click the refresh button to list all available companies. Once your selected company appears on the list, click Add Now to begin the synchronization process and wait a few moments for the sync to complete. From the top right menu, you can view your profile details or check your system settings. In Settings, ensure your port number is correctly configured to match Tally. To view your data right away, simply click Web View to open your dashboard in the browser. And that's it. LiveKeeping is now fully set up. To access your business data on the go, download the LiveKeeping app on your phone and log in with the exact same mobile number. LiveKeeping, making business easy for business users.